हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन गर्ल एजुकेशन। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। गर्ल्स एजुकेशन plays an important role in human life. Girls' education is essential for the proper social and economic development of the country. Girls' education is very necessary for every field for the development of the country. Both men and women move parallel to the two equal wheels in society. Therefore, both are important components of development and progress of the country. Educated women can handle their families more efficiently without any doubt. She can make every member of the family accountable by providing good qualities in children. Educated girls are confident. They can take decisions on their own and become self-reliant. Educated woman will have a better understanding of her body and she will have smaller family and would know about family planning methods better. Girl education was never considered necessary in the previous time, but over the period of time people have realized the importance of a girl's education. There are a lot of advantages involved in the education of girls. A well-educated and grown-up girl can play an important role in the development of the country. An educated girl can share the load and burden of the men in different fields. Women are more creative, intelligent, and serious towards their careers as compared to men. A well-educated girl, if not forced to marry in her early age, can serve as writer, teacher, advocate, doctor, and scientist. She can perform very well in other important fields too. After the marriage, an educated girl can work and help her husband in bearing the expenses of the family. She can also earn if in case her husband expires and there is no helping hand in the family. Education helps a girl become economically independent while she knows her rights, and women empowerment, which helps her to fight against the problem of gender inequality. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन गर्ल एजुकेशन। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू।